In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly download high-quality images from your Canva project with a transparent background. This simple guide will ensure that you get the best resolution and quality for your images, perfect for professional use or personal projects. First, let's head over to your Canva project. Open up your browser and log into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, select the project containing the design you wish to download. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've opened the correct project by taking a moment to review the design to avoid any mix-ups. Next, let's move on to downloading your design. Once you're sure you're in the right project, look for the Share button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to exporting your designs. Click on Share, and from the drop-down menu, select Download. Now here's a crucial part to ensure your logo or image comes out crisp and clear. In the download settings, you'll see a field labeled File Type. Click on this and you'll be given a list of different format options. To maintain high quality and ensure all details are captured beautifully, select PNG from this list. PNG is a widely used format that supports high quality images and is perfect for digital designs because it maintains the clarity and integrity of your image without any pixelation. Another important step is to ensure your image has a transparent background. This is particularly useful if you're planning to layer the logo over different backgrounds or use it in various applications. In the download settings, look for the option labeled Transparent Background. It's usually a tiny checkbox, so be sure to click on it to activate this feature. By doing so, the background will be removed, leaving only your design visible and allowing for seamless integration into any layout or color. After you've confirmed these settings, PNG format and transparent background, it's time to hit that download button. Your image will be processed, and within a few moments, it will be saved to your computer. Usually, it gets saved in your default downloads folder unless you've set it otherwise, and just like that, you're done. With these few simple steps, you've successfully downloaded a high-quality, transparent PNG image from Canva. Whether you're using it for branding, marketing materials, or just a fun personal project, you now have a professional quality design at your fingertips. So there you have it. A straightforward guide to downloading images in Canva while ensuring they are perfect in quality and versatility. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your creative projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.